I'm Hedwich. My surname is Tjiroze. I'm farming in Oshobinde constituency, the place called Gropelar. I have picked up something special to me what I didn't know, how to manage my farming. And one of the points what I have to remember forever is the budgeting, planning, where we are not planning our things at the farm. I'm just doing things without a plan. Today I was told to have a plan and to have a budget and in order to do my farm businesses correct or to be successful. Yeah, and I'm very surprised because I was also having a concern of me not having a budget where my things was going up and down, and today I think I was given a disciplined information. So from today I have to do my farming with a discipline so that it can help me to go far in it.